In Loves Park, Illinois, where the weather can fluctuate drastically between hot summers and cold winters, maintaining an energy-efficient home is essential. One of the most effective ways to boost your home's energy efficiency is through window installation. Windows are more than just decorative features of your home. They are vital in regulating indoor temperature and controlling energy consumption. If you're looking for a way to lower your energy bills and create a more comfortable living environment, replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient ones is a great solution. Here's how window installation in Loves Park can improve your home's energy efficiency. Reduced heat loss and gain. The primary way windows affect energy efficiency is through their insulation properties. Older windows, especially single-pane models, offer little resistance to heat transfer. During the winter months, heat escapes through gaps and cracks in these windows, causing your heating system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Similarly, in the summer, heat from the outside enters through inefficient windows, making your air conditioning system run more often. Modern windows, particularly double-pane or triple-pane windows, are designed to minimize heat loss and gain. These windows feature multiple layers of glass with a gas-filled space between them, which acts as an insulating barrier. The multiple panes and the insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, help keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer by reducing the amount of heat that can pass through the glass. This improves energy efficiency by reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems. Enhanced sealing to prevent drafts. Over time, window seals can degrade, leading to drafts and air leaks. Even small gaps around your windows can let in cold air in the winter and cool air in the summer. This makes your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature and leads to higher energy bills. Additionally, drafts can create uncomfortable areas in your home, especially near windows. When you invest in window installation, particularly with high-quality energy-efficient windows, these windows are designed with better seals. They fit snugly into the frame, preventing air leaks and improving insulation. This means that your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain the indoor temperature, helping you save energy and money over time. UV protection for reduced cooling costs. In addition to regulating heat, modern energy-efficient windows are often designed to block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays from the sun. UV rays can cause furniture, carpeting, and fabrics to fade over time, but they also contribute to increased cooling costs. UV rays add to the heat that enters your home, making your air conditioning system work harder to cool your living spaces. Energy-efficient windows often come with low emissivity coatings that reflect UV rays while allowing natural light to pass through. This reduces the amount of heat entering your home, lowering the strain on your air conditioning system and helping to maintain a more comfortable indoor temperature. In turn, your home remains cooler in the summer, which means you can rely on your air conditioning less, saving energy and reducing your electricity bills. Long-term energy savings. While the upfront cost of installing energy-efficient windows may be higher than replacing your old windows with standard models, the long-term energy savings are well worth the investment. Over time, the improved insulation, reduced heat transfer, and better sealing will lower your heating and cooling costs. In fact, according to the U.S. Department of Energy, replacing old windows with energy-efficient ones can save homeowners up to 15% on their energy bills annually. In Loves Park, where winters can be especially cold and summers can be quite warm, having windows that are designed to keep your home at a comfortable temperature can make a noticeable difference in your utility bills. This means that your initial investment in window installation can quickly pay off, making it a financially savvy choice in the long run. Improved comfort throughout your home. Energy-efficient windows not only improve energy savings but also enhance the comfort of your living spaces. With better insulation, your home will maintain a more consistent indoor temperature. No more hot spots near windows in the summer or chilly drafts in the winter. This added comfort makes your home more enjoyable to live in year-round, and it can also improve the overall atmosphere of your living space. Whether you're enjoying a quiet evening indoors during the winter or relaxing in the summer, energy-efficient windows help ensure that your home remains comfortable without the constant need for adjusting thermostats or using fans and space heaters. Environmental impact. If you're concerned about your environmental footprint, installing energy-efficient windows is an effective way to reduce your impact. By decreasing the energy consumption of your home, you reduce the demand for electricity, which in turn reduces the burning of fossil fuels for energy generation. This is an important step toward creating a more sustainable home. Energy-efficient windows also help reduce the carbon emissions associated with heating and cooling your home. By using less energy, you're contributing to the overall reduction of greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. In a place like Loves Park, where many homeowners are environmentally conscious, this can be a significant benefit. Increased property value. Finally, window installation with energy-efficient windows can increase your home's value. Prospective homebuyers are increasingly looking for homes that are energy efficient and have reduced operating costs. Installing modern, energy-efficient windows is a great way to boost your home's appeal on the real estate market. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes that offer lower energy bills and improved comfort, making your investment in window installation a wise decision from both a financial and an environmental standpoint. Conclusion. Window installation in Loves Park is an excellent way to improve the energy efficiency of your home. With benefits like reduced heat loss and gain, better insulation, improved comfort, and long-term energy savings, new windows can make a significant difference in your home's energy performance. By investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable living environment, lower utility bills, and even increase your home's value, all while reducing your environmental impact. If you're looking to make your home more energy efficient, window installation is one of the best upgrades you can make.